These are the PBS Kids Scratch Junior Family and Community Learning Workshops.
It's a series of 4 workshops where we get parents and kids together to engage in the engineering design process. They're aimed for children ages 3 to 8, as well as their family members.
What I want you to remember always, you are scientists, and your little ones, they are scientists too.
At every workshop, we eat. That is very important.
If we can alleviate just one thing that is in their schedule by providing that meal, it's more likely that families are going to attend regularly.
After we eat, then we go into the explore part of the session. We separate the adults and the children, and we try to make the adult the expert. So we let them experience what the child is going to experience.
And let's see if this one will fly.
These workshops are definitely aimed at getting parents to be more confident about how to help their children learn.
You could just see how excited they are when they are able to say, I did this, I learned this, and now I can show you how to do this.
Okay, let me program it. There you go.
During the make part of the session, we use the PBS Kids Scratch Junior coding app. The family chooses which project they want to work on, and we want the families to work together to collaborate, and we want them to teach each other.
What can I add to our outfit?
What happens when you put a green?
So how can I do this?
So try again. That's it.
I'm flying!
The share part is also very important because we celebrate successes and they get up and share and everybody's so excited. And you can see just how they light up.
A few moments later.
Kids can learn from the parents, and adults can learn from the children at the same time. It's an amazing, fun experience for them.